Ubuntu troubleshootings for using monitoring, logs, and disk uses. Actually, when troubleshooting issues in Ubuntu, you need to check system performance, logs, and disk uses. Now the question is how we can check those, right? Let's say for monitoring purpose, you should just go to the activities, then you can see there is an option is system monitoring. In the dialog box you can see the process, you can see all of the process here. So if you need to end any process or any suspicious process, then just select and click in process. And also you can check from here resource, you can see the CPU, memory, those utilization from here. Also you can check file system here. After monitoring, if you see any suspicious activities, then you can take action. Another troubleshooting feature is log. Following log, you can troubleshoot very easily. You can just go to the logs and you can see all of the logs here, system logs, right? You can also check disk uses. Sometimes you can see the disk is full, the performance issue, right? So you can check from the disk uses here, and also if you click here, it's represent actually your disk, which folder or directory uses, right? All of the uses you can see by graph. Also if you face any network issue, then you can check from here and you can enable and disable from here, and also reset network here, right? Following those you can easily troubleshoot, or you can easily regular issues you can fix of Ubuntu by this way. Thank you for watching.